Yeah, I. Greetings, not the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie first, you know? Yeah. Well, as you can see from the thumbnail, I want to name Saint Bob Marley, you know, say, which is truly who I think the man is. You get what I say? Saying, but the argument, what I and I are talking at this, it might not be conducive with the image where society try to create. Or try instill a Bob Marley. You get what I say? Picture with them a try. You know what I say? Cause the end of the day, you say, due to terror and the torture and the terror, literal psychological terrors and traumas, so black people go through and things like that. It's black people themselves who are most threatened by when a black rebel come on the forefront. You understand what I say? So black people themselves usually be the most verbal or the most physical in trying to quiet this rebel. You understand what I say? Because not the fact so well then what the rebel is saying is not beneficial to them, but the fact that the repercussion that usually that it usually carries. You understand what I say? The vast part of the community usually suffer due to the rebel, when the rebel talk or when the rebel rebel. You get what I say? So the community usually be the first one to jump up and have something to say. You see, but really and truly, Bob Marley wasn't like a playpen figure. Bob Marley wasn't, Bob Marley was the songs that he sing, literally. You understand what I say? Enough artists nowadays where they walk around and carry themselves and propose certain things, certain arguments in a song and things like that. Them are nothing, them character in a real life is nothing compared to what they portray. You know, them song, them alter ego type of thing. You get what I say? But Bob Marley, for one, was and had to be a stepper. Plain and simple. You get what I say? All of the gangster them, all of the Dan them and all of the man them across Kingston we usually rebel and go on with themselves. I'm not saying answer to Bob Marley, but held Bob Marley to high esteem. You get what I'm saying? In a lot of cases, would rather take consultation from Bob Marley than from a politician. That is down to the fact that well, in Jamaica, during this period, you usually have 3 political parties. And the most powerful of them all was that which Bob Marley was affiliated with, mainly. You understand? Because you used to have a man like Burro Boy, Starkey, Feather Map, Massop, Copper, Dennis, Bart, Copper, and Derek Adair, Shabba. You understand what I said? Them man, they did have a politics a go on of their own. They were rebelling against the system. You understand what I say? And what their attitude and actions, their characteristics, perception of society, fuel Bob Marley's fire. It gave credit. You know, you understand me? And it also gave Bob Marley the sense of security that he needs to be impertinent enough to rebel like this without having not said that, which yeah, he still had the wider part of the community who usually come out and not protest but literally show concern, grave concern for their health due to the rebellion or go on. You get what I said? But again, due to the facts so well then, the offshoot of the rebellion or the effect of the rebellion usually benefit the people mainly because these men, I wouldn't say they hold political parties to at ransom because they control the votes. You understand? These men control the votes in the local community them and things like that, and whatever they dictated, this is what goes. So most political party or the political party have to deal when them find themselves affiliated with any of these guys, they usually basically be slave to you know, some of the things them where the man them demand. You understand what I say? That's why most and the only time it's a close association is when it comes close to election. You understand? To avoid the regular campaigning type of strategy and method and things like that. Them used to just influence the Dan regardless. However, you understand, and the Dan the community usually flick with the Dan, with what the Dan has said. You understand me? Because again, throughout the year, throughout the whole period, I just the Dan them see them as a politician. You understand? And if he's benefiting from a political party of such, they'll always say, you know what, let's work with him and benefit him. In a seat. But again, the whole organization itself was not aligned with a political party of such. You get what I say? It was all you know, I don't know how to describe it right now, but you know, thief from thief type of thing. You understand what I say? Now Bob Marley and the reggae artists, them if you study the lyrics and nature of them tune the back in them days there, it was more rebellious, and it was mainly a cry of the poor, the voice of the poor, or it being a medium that's, you know, voicing the feelings, are, you know, the suffering of the ghetto upon a wider scale. You understand what I say? It basically represents the people even more than the politicians did. You get what I say? So essentially, the music was like the commercial or the advertising part of what the Dan them, the so-called Dan them, because the man that wasn't Dan, you know, the man that was rebels. You get what I say? This Dan thing, I think, you know. Yeah, they were Dans, but the politician or politics come to demonize the name, the Dan, to a degree where, you know, people might not find it acceptable no more or anything like that. You know, see, but these men weren't political tools. See, these men were the best, the best representation ghetto has ever had. You know, only since recently when PJ Patterson, a student at the level who's thingy, yeah, because he won an award and was taken to England and educated by them lot. You get what I say? Only since him come back and disassociate himself from that sort of connection with the grassroots, then Heather Robinson again come support the whole thing, and regardless through ignorance. You get what I say? You know, them sort of end up diminish them own potential and influence amongst the people. You understand? Because never ever again had they got the, you know, the connection with the ground when no one go up on the ground. These days what them tend to do is when it come to politics time, them just send a car go park somewhere with some money in it and some soldiers, security forces there about where them representative can't get robbed or them delegate can't get robbed. And them dole out money and buy a vote on the spot. You understand? That's what's happening these days. You get what I say? And that's far more crass and corrupt than actually what used to go on back in the day with the Dan them. You understand what I say? Because again, when politics is not there, the Dans were always there, and them always do them lot, whether or not it's acceptable by society standard or not. Because society was always one side doing them own thing, you know, see it, and always making gains of the poor, having the poor people or the ghetto class of people struggle the most, so that's they themselves can maintain their lifestyle type of thing. You get what I say? So when the Dan them go out and go rob some bank or rob some people and whatever, and them come back with them share it up on the corner and thing like that, it was a reality. You know, see it. Youths when trying to go to school, them make sure so them go to school and thing like that. You understand what I say? Now Bob Marley was connected with all of these people. All of them people here would have been. It's not like they would have been the one giving Bob Marley talks or telling Bob Marley to do this or nah. That was never ever the case. You get what I say? Bob Marley a man with give talk and you know see it, yeah. Want of a lesser word, you know see it. So seeing Bob Marley not only sing for the poor or was being vocal for the poor. Seeing Bob Marley was very practical. You hear what I tell you? On the ground. Foot soldier. You see it? Not just word of mouth where you hear some man sing some, and the man I think was so great. That's you see the man I sing. The man I sing reality. The man and gonna live it. Everything where him sing, him live. You get what me I say? Yeah, and bring it to practicality. You know the most. Just pre him sang them, and yeah, the man they can actualize and will always do that. Actualize wherever him a singing and him song. You know see? Yeah man. You can't call him man the bad man. You can't call him man the gangster. I have just call him man the steppa. You see, Bob Marley was a stepper. Bob Marley, I never like a simple boy, but I feel like I want tone. I want tone enough boy get conk up, bad. Yeah, you know, see it. If you're not going on a whole for details, you know, leave that for the more because I want some comment and, you know, see it. But yeah, don't feel like the general was like a commercial slave where some people have a sell music for them or whatever and I put money in them pocket. You know, see it. No, you see, Bob Marley was a very shrewd and wise businessman. You see, but however, step up on the ground. More blessed. Share, like, and subscribe. You see, Rastafari.